Happy Halloween, Ipsters. I'm so excited to see the spooky vibes that are in this month's Glam Bag and Boxycharm. The Glam Bag this month is serving spooky realness. We're channeling all the witchy vibes, and check out this zipper. It's a crystal ball. Let's dive in and see what we've got inside. First, I'm seeing a little Bobbi Brown moment. This is the vitamin-enriched face base, which we all know had a major moment on social media so many times. Let's go ahead and give this a whirl. First impressions, she's super creamy and hydrating. I feel like this would be a perfect base under a really nice glowy makeup look. I'm super excited to see this in a Glam Bag because I'm remembering this had such a huge moment on socials so many years ago, and I'm so excited to see it resurfacing this month. Next, we've got a really exciting new product to me. This is from Keys Soul Care, which we know is Alicia Keys' brand, and this says it's a firm belief smoothing peptide cream. Looks like from reading the box, this is gonna be vegan, cruelty-free, which we love, fragrance-free, but what I'm most excited about is that this is gonna provide long-lasting hydration, which I think we could all use a little bit of going into the fall months. Ooh, I'm excited to see what this formula is like. Ooh, okay, right away, feeling thick, but not overly thick to where it's gonna be heavy on my face. Gorgeous formula. I am really, really excited to try this. Moving right along. Ooh, I'm thinking we're having a lip gloss moment. Okay, yes, this is a Shea Butter lip gloss. TYS Beauty. I have actually tried this before and the formula is fantastic. Gorgeous color that's gonna work on everybody's skin tone and a perfect topper for any fall lip color that you're gonna be wearing. Let's go ahead and try her on the lips. This color is so stunning. Let's see how she looks. The formula is really nice, not sticky. Almost feels a little bit like a lip oil. I can see myself wearing this very often. On the topic of lips, this one's for anybody who's in need of a perfect lip combo because this is from Lucky Chick. And again, super yummy ingredients in this. It's enriched with vitamin E and rose oil, and this color is gonna be so good for fall. I already know it. Okay, wait, there's actually 2 products in here. Who knew? Let's go ahead and give them a swatch. A really nice, rich, mauve-y color. I know this is gonna look good on everybody. Wait, that was so creamy. Obsessed. Gorge. I feel like you could even go for like an ombre moment mixing these 2 together. And the way that that applied, so creamy. Ending off so strong because I am so excited about this product. As a girly on the go, this is super neat. It's 3-in-1, meaning it's a complexion stick that you can choose your own adventure with. Use it as foundation. It says concealer, contour, cream bronzer. I'm really excited to show you guys this one. Oh my gosh. Creamy. Hello, creamy. I'm already envisioning this would be so nice if you need a quick touch up, maybe you're on an airplane, need a refresh. Did you see how fast that just blended in? Oh my gosh. That's a wrap for the Glam Bag. I'm feeling like the products this month are so approachable and they're gonna transition seamlessly into the rest of the year and any makeup routine that you're going for. I cannot wait to see what we've got in store for Boxycharm. Moving right along, keeping the spooky vibes going, we've got this month's Boxycharm. It's feeling pretty heavy, so let's dive in and see what we've got inside. I'm already so excited for you guys and all your Halloween looks. This is the Makeup Forever setting spray. Now this is the Mist and Fix. It's 24-hour hold. I'm thinking about your Halloween looks and how well they are going to be staying on your face all throughout trick-or-treating, creating content, because this is such a good setting spray. I personally use it and love it. Just look at the mist on this. The mist is really lightweight. It doesn't feel overly heavy on the face. And trust me, you guys, it's so good. Thinking about all the eyeshadow looks we're gonna be creating this season, this is Eloise Beauty, and it's actually a new product to me, but it's the Goddess palette, and you and me together are gonna figure out the shades in here. But first, this packaging, oh my gosh, gorgeous. For all my Swifties out there, this is totally giving lover vibes. Are we right? Let's check out the shades. Oh, okay, look at this Divine Aura shade right in the middle. It looks almost like a mixed fleck. It's serving mermaid realness. The shades in here are gonna look great on everybody, but I'm also loving the mixture of mattes and shimmers. I think we need to do some swatches because I already need all of this on my face. The metallics are absolutely fabulous in this palette. I could really see the mattes being perfect transition shades. We're obsessed, but let's see what else we have in store for Boxycharm. We've talked about the eyes, but let's go ahead and get back to the face because I'm really excited about this next one. It's the Green Glow Up Cream. Now again, totally new product to me. This is from the Color Food series. We're gonna be testing this out on camera together because I don't even know what this is, and I'm so excited to learn more. Like I said, I've never heard of this brand before, but I can already tell you from testing this on my hand, it is so lightweight, and the component mentions that it's great for all skin types, which we love. This is gonna be perfect for keeping our skin hydrated all fall season. Let's talk about this hydration because, oh my gosh, talk about glowy. This would be beautiful as a base underneath some amazing Halloween makeup. We're all rubbed in. This is feeling incredibly lightweight, not greasy, not sticky. I cannot wait to put this on my face. On the topic of a nice glowy base, we've got this super fun dewy skin product from Ciate London. This is their Glass Glow Skin Tint. I'm so excited to try this. Ooh, full-size product, obsessed. This is a tinted balm, and the really nice part is it's easy for everyone to apply. You can literally just go in with your fingertips. Ooh, this is really nice. Okay, and it blended so quickly. Pretty. Love this. Last but not least, we've got liquid blush from Tarte, which will be a perfect complement to all the glowy skin that we've already got going on with this box. Packaging, she's super cute, but what I love even more about this blush is this incredible applicator. The payoff on this is absolutely incredible. The shimmer and metallic shine to this. I can see myself wearing this going apple picking on the weekends or any of my fall festivities. That's it for October Ipsters. I'm so excited about this really good roundup of products. I feel like you have the perfect mix of skin and makeup that's gonna bring you perfectly into the fall, winter, and even transition into spring season. Make sure you like, subscribe to IPSY, comment below and let me know what product you're most excited for, and have a happy Halloween.